Welcome to this training video. One of the most important benefits for resellers of the Standard Edition is that they obtain their own storefront, which can be easily and fully customized according to their branding guidelines without any programming knowledge. The objective of this video is to explain how resellers of the Standard Edition can configure and rebrand their storefront by adjusting general settings, rebranding the look and feel of the storefront, and set the contact page for customers. Let's start with the general settings. As a reseller, log into your new storefront and click on Storefront Settings at the left-hand side panel of the main menu. The system displays two main tabs: General Settings and Customize Settings. Stay on the General Settings tab and fill in the following fields. Company name. This is the storefront browser tab title. This field allows multilingualism, special and alphanumeric characters. The second field asks you to provide the storefront URL, as generated by the distributor's BSS. Here you can provide a custom URL, if you own one. However, please bear in mind that if a custom URL is provided, you need to take specific actions with a domain administrator to be able to activate it. Your domain administrator probably knows how to take care of that, so you just need to inform them accordingly. The last field allows you to provide Google Universal Analytics for your URL. Google Analytics defines how users interact with your website. When all changes have been completed, click Publish in the top right corner of the page to save them. Now let's see how you can rebrand the look and feel of your storefront. As you are in the admin environment, click on Storefront Settings and then click on the Customized Settings tab. As you can see from the shortcuts on the top of the page, here you to customize your company logo, main storefront banner, the color of the buttons in the main sections, set the main font, and change the footer. Let's begin with your logo. Click on your logo here, at the upper left side of Storefront Overview. The system asks you to upload your logo image, a pop-up window. Select your image, upload it, and click OK to save it. Now it's time to upload your storefront's banner. Click on the Your Banner Here field. The system displays a pop-up window with three visualization options: static banner, slider with images that rotate every 15 seconds automatically, or a carousel of images with a description that rotate manually upon user click on the navigation arrows. Upload the image or images of their banner and provide title, description and/or a URL that will redirect visitors to a specific web page when they click on the image. You can upload up to 4 different images, but you need to provide this information for every image. If you want to delete an image, just click on the Delete Record option in the bottom right corner of the template window. Similarly, if you need to add a new image, click on Add Record. When you have completed your changes, click OK to save them. You can also define the primary color for the main sections of your storefront. To do that, click on the Section Title button. On the pop-up window, select the section's color you want to be applied in various places across Storefront, tab header, sidebar menu, account menu, and so on. Click OK to save your changes. Similarly, you can set the main font for text descriptions across the storefront. Click on the description text box and other pop-up window, select the font family, size, and color you prefer. Click OK to save your changes. You can also customize the background color and text of the buttons. Just click on the button below the description field, select the colors you prefer for the button and the font, and click OK to save your changes. Finally, you can upload your company's terms of use. To do that, click on the Terms of Use shortcut at the bottom of the page. The system displays a window where you can paste and edit your trademark and terms of use. As rich text capabilities are available, you can format the text according to your preference. Click OK to save your changes. When you are done with your rebranding, click on Publish in the top right corner of the page to save and apply the changes to your storefront. Apart from the look and feel of your storefront, you can also set your contact page, informing your customers on all the different channels they can get in touch with you. Go to Settings and click on the Contact Us Page Settings tab. Upload a banner and click OK to save it. Right under that, enter your company info and contact details. You can fill in one or more of these blocks, for example, in case your company has more than one branches. Each time you click on a block, the system prompts a pop-up window where you can complete the company name and full address, website, map link, and social media profile links. Click on OK to save your changes. When you are done, click on Publish in the top right corner of the page to save and apply the changes to your storefront. This last action concludes this training video. Thank you for watching.